In this lesson, we will start going slightly more in detail, and we will take the block out of the spine that we had, and we will start creating, like in a really simplified way, these vertebrae. So what we will do is we'll create one or two different shapes of vertebrae. As you see here, depending of if the vertebra is cervical, thoracic, lumbar, or sacral, is the different shape that it has. So what we will do is we'll create maybe one of each, well, this one of this one and one of this one, and we will start placing them just to get the position right. So then when we start placing the muscles and everything, we know that we go, okay, if this muscle goes from this vertebra to this vertebra, it's a easier way to measure. And the same we will have when we get the thoracic cage. So every rib will connect to a specific vertebra. So it's good to have them there. Again, we are not going to really in detail sculpt this, but we'll do a block out of this and we will duplicate it until we get the entire spine done. So for this, I will come here. I will append a cylinder. So sorry, I will append if Zebras allows me to do it. Yeah, there we go. A cylinder. Bring it here. To select it first. Come here, make it a bit smaller. Kind of this width here. Yeah, there we go. And then I will isolate it. Come to the front view. Come here, and then here in our PureRef, I will bring this here. We'll start with the thoracic vertebrae that are the ones that we have from here to here. And I will keep this really big. So we'll leave some space if I want to check the 3D. And then I will press again Ctrl T and come here. And if this is the front, we need to do like this. Sorry, we need to do like this and like this. There we go. So we come here, and the first thing we need to do is, I will again dynamesh this, activate symmetry, and start giving shape to this guy here. So this is the hole where the spinal cord will go through. So we really don't care for what we are going to do here, but it's good to know it. So here's where all the nerves and stuff go. And that's why you have like all this really strong structure around it. Here we need to get these arms going out. So for this, what I would do is I would press the brush, snake hook. This is a nice brush for this. So you come here, and with the snake hook, we got these two nice arms here. So we'll go now to our top view. Again, the move brush. Let's grab it from here. go. Inflate brush. And here we will try to get this shape. So we have this a bit sharper. Some of these these views don't match exactly, so that's why sometimes we have some problems that doesn't match one view to the other one, but doesn't matter again. Anyway, each of the vertebrae here is slightly different to another one. So for example, this in some moment we need to go down, but we will just, again, we just want to see the position of the vertebra so much and not the shape. Because again, when we sculpt our final character, we will re-sculpt a lot of this stuff. We are not going to focus so much on the exact shape of each bone. But so last thing, we will come here. This face a bit flat. So when we start doing connecting one with each other, we'll get more or less a connection there. So we'll go like this. Okay, and I think we are good to go with this vertebra. Like again, we don't want to go really in detail. We just want to have a nice block out of this. So in our next chapter, in our next lesson, we will start placing these vertebrae in position, and then scale some of them up and down to get them in the right place.